So here we are on Manjaro GNOME, and it's just normal GNOME, not the customized version. And here we're gonna start the customization and making it really clean. Now it is already clean and I love this one. But there is an even better version which is sort of mine, maybe. So let's get started. So all we have to do is just start with GNOME extensions. Let's go. GNOME extensions. Hey, you see, I actually prefer another one, which is GNOME Shell Extensions Manager. All you have to do is just type sudo pemac install, not GNOME Extension Manager. You can do on the same with Ubuntu, Arch or Fedora, it'll work. Or just go on with the Flatpak version. Okay, so it ain't here, so I'm gonna just go on with Arch user repository. And it will be there definitely. Extension. Have I just somehow wrote the wrong spelling? Maybe? Yep, I did. Let's install it. And so here we are and the installation is done. Now let's just go to Extension Manager. There it is. Let it get loaded. Now first we need to install -2 panel. Now you might be wondering like, yes, it's sort of the opposite because we should go on with the dock. But yes, we are installing a dock in a panel. I'll explain you in a minute. It's gonna be really great. Okay, it actually looks good on the top, but we have to customize it. Now know that this is something which came pre-installed and I'm gonna fix it, okay? Just hold on a second. I believe this is the wrong -2 panel. Okay, so there are two -2 panels from different people. That is why it looks so weird. Turn it off. So which one is it? Maybe this one? Yep, this is the one you will be, you'll see. Go to customization settings. And now let's start the main thing. Now go to panel length and make it dynamic. There we go. Now first we need to change this particular stuff, like the looks of it. So first show application button, no. And then remove the desktop button as well. And then the right box because it's kind of weird. Now we need the date at the no, not the date, the activities button. There it is. Here it looks good. Now let's change the date to right side. Now it looks good. Yeah, it is sort of okay. Now it is time to, do the real deal, customization. But first, just increase the panel thickness to your desired size. I like it almost 64 pixels. Style, now use border radius to the max, just like that. And then icon style, normal, highlight over hovering, yeah, no. Animate over hovering, this is better. But we're gonna change the animation. So what we're gonna do is reduce the travel. Okay, not like that. The travel should be 0 and the zoom shall be a little, like 10% maybe. 110 maybe? Yeah, it looks okay. Maybe 105. Just near to 105. Okay, now it's better. Now we need to fix this icon, how they're displayed. First, the icon margin, go to the minimum. Icon padding, increase it to 8 maybe. Yes, it looks better. Now we can go to the least and make them big, but we're not gonna do that. It's gonna look really awful. Then icon margin, we can increase it to make it look like this or this. 0 pixels, 1, 0. 0 it is. Maybe I should reduce the icon padding a little. Now everything looks pretty much okay-ish. Override, just remove the override panel theme. Just bring it back, okay? Yeah, bring it back. Now we are here in the real deal, the main looks. So as you can see, the running indicator doesn't look good, so we're gonna fix that. Running indicators style, focused application shall be dash, small dashes, and then unfocused application dots. Way better. Now go to the settings of the dash and enable dominant color. And yeah, we need to not highlight this stuff, just like that. Now better. Now indicator color dominant, just like that. Now it looks way cleaner. Now it is time for the real deal to make it floating, the thing which you came for. so fast. This is the top and bottom padding. We just need to increase. No, we do not. Okay. So I remember now. Go to the margins. It's gonna make it float. We need it really floating. Like this. Maybe a little more. But yeah, this is better. Yep, it is almost good, but not that great. Now we need to increase the side padding. Just like 9. And most importantly, the top and bottom padding. To give it a fuller look. Like we will fix that in a minute when we go to position and then increase the panel thickness even more. Just like that. Now you're getting what I'm getting into. This is way fuller and better. Looks good. Now get back to the style and we can actually make it even more. Top and bottom margins. A little more floating maybe. Not that much. Just a little. Then the padding. Padding is more than enough, I believe. Yep, it is. Now if you see, everything looks damn good. Yes, it does. Now enable dynamic opacity, which will be better, maybe. Okay, let's go on with the dynamic one. Just like that. And now we can change the behavior like, well, actually I don't want that. This is better. Maybe not. You see, it's in the app icon problem. We need to fix it. So I'm gonna just increase the padding a little. Maybe not. It has to look clean, but not too clean. You know what I'm talking about. It has to look fuller, but not too fuller. Well, it's all depends on how you like it. Okay. Now I'm gonna reduce the margins. No, I'm not. I'm gonna reduce the padding to make it look a little better. Just like that much. And now you can, well, everything is done almost. Like, yeah, almost. So what is left? If you ask me, you can actually add a really nice icon. Well, a start menu for sort. Or you can just go on with the activities. I prefer the activities, but let's say you don't like that. You can actually install Arc menu, which is just here. Enable it. Arc menu released. Okay, no, I don't want to know. There it is, our Arc menu. Now, let's just go to Arc menu settings. Now, you see one thing, the menu doesn't look good at all. It's just gonna be an icon to go into GNOME's application, just like that, okay? So, menu layout, well, traditionals, no, modern. Where is the default activity bar? Chromebook, launcher menu, just GNOME overview. That is the one, just like that. Yep, just like that. But there is one thing, like, yeah, the icon doesn't look good at all. So we're gonna go to menu button. Icon, padding should be a little plus. Increase it a little, as much as you like. Now we're gonna choose a new icon. So here, as of I'm using Manjaro, but I wanna choose something better. Maybe something from here or from the distros. So what about Manjaros? Definitely not. Ubuntu one looks good, but no. So what I'm gonna do is choose a nice logo from here. Maybe this one? Maybe something stylish like this one. Well, this is Manjaro's logo, definitely. How about this arch one? Or maybe this one? Okay, I'm a little confused. Which one shall I go with? Maybe this one. How about this rocket? No. Pac-Man? Okay, we're gonna go with Pac-Man here. Now, we need to increase the size. So let's just increase the size. Almost equal to them, but maybe not. Yeah, it is near to equal. Maybe not. Now decrease the padding. Okay, this looks better. Maybe like this. Yeah, this is better. But why am I seeing that it is a little lifted as compared to the other? Maybe. But let's just leave that, okay? Maybe it is a fault of icon. Let's just try another icon. Yep, it's a problem with everyone. Yep, everyone. Wait, is that MKBHD's logo? Maybe. And that reminds me, this is Google Stadia. This is MarkText. Like, all the beautiful application. Maybe this is also from somewhere which is very beautiful. Well, this is from Verge, definitely. Let's just go on with maybe this one. Yeah, this one looks okay-ish. Maybe this one, no. Pac-Man. Yeah, Pac-Man. Maybe this one, it won't look that bad. How about volleyball? Nice. How about a gamer? Well, Star Wars. Dragon? No. Camera? Who's this guy? Search? No. NFC? This one? I am indeed a little confused. Let's just go on with something sleek. and beautiful. Like Pac-Man. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, Pac-Man looks okay. We can actually style it if we want. No, I'm not gonna do that. Definitely not. Well, about padding? How about I reduce the padding like that and then... No, I do need a little padding. Well, negative was also okay, but negative means auto. Not that much. It should look natural, but not too natural. This should do. 2. 2 it is. Or maybe not, let's just go on with the normal one. How about I change the menu button to something with the distros? Yeah, let's just go on with that. Or a custom. How about Fedoras? Okay, this one looks sleek. Arch, Debian, Raspberry Pi. Oh man, Raspberry is definitely good. Raspbian. Zorin, Endeavor, Nobara. Okay, Nobara one looks damn good here. Papyrus. Now, Pardus. I know what that means. Next, Nobara. Okay, Nobara looks good. Let's just stick to Nobara, even if I've never ever installed Nobara. Now it looks damn good. So yeah, the customization or anything else, it's almost done. Yep, it does. But there is something which isn't that good, and that is the color and everything else. So we're gonna do a little more customization, starting with blur my shell. Blur my shell. Install it. Enable. Almost there. There it is. Now go to settings. You see this weird stuff? That's something very bad. Panel. Just turn off. Dash. No. What if I were to use it like default rounded? Okay, so it was able to do something a little, but not that good. Dynamic. Okay, it is getting. No, it is not. Maybe I need a new pipeline. Okay, cancel it. So this pipeline, the default rounded one, needs a little something. Add an effect. It should be pixels. Negative, caution blur, nosy, color, pixelize, depreciative. Let's leave that. Let's just forget the blur. Even if I really wanted that, I cannot have that. Default rounded. It was damn good if it was just sticking to the ground. But no, not at all. Now it should look a little better. Now as you can see, like the padding is working good, sort of yes, but I'd like to customize a little more in dash to panel, especially the color. So panel background color, let's just go on with something which would suit Manjaro. Default panel opacity, a little less or more. Go on with this. Yeah, it is a little better. And as you know, it is default. Yep, it is. There's gradient as well, but the gradient doesn't work properly. Yep, it is now looking a little better, like really better. Now okay, so we need to use Intellihide or Intellihide. Go to extensions again, dash to panel and Intellihide. Now whenever we try to do this, it's gonna hide. Whenever I come back, it will come back. Where are you? What happened? Why is it still like it is supposed to be? What's going on? Okay, maybe it is because of the margins and stuff. Go back to extensions, dash to panel, settings. Only hide panel when it's obstructed by windows. Yes. From focused windows, yes. Required pressure to H to reveal. No. Allow the panel to reveal while in full screen mode. Yep. Only hide secondary. Okay. Hide and reveal animation. Delay. Okay. Now it works properly, perfectly. Just like we wanted. And this is working perfectly fine. This too. Now all we need is a nice wallpaper. Now there are a few in default ones which would look good, especially in the Manjaro. This one looks damn good. Even the dark one also looks good. Okay, this one actually looks good. Man. Yep, Manjaro is doing great job in their wallpapers, definitely. Especially this dark one. But we have even better ones as well. You see, I have a nice collection of wallpapers which is on my Google Drive, and I'll link it in the description. Okay, what's that? You see, whenever I go down and whenever I reveal the docs, sometimes it's like the OBS application is dropping in by, but it is not right now. Let's leave that. Just take a look at it. There we go, just like that. Okay, leaving that. Come on man, my internet is damn slow. Okay, so I have an idea, like this dock really looks good. How about we combine them with these beautiful gorgeous beauties? Like this one. Download it. Wait for it. It is downloaded. I'm gonna download the blue one as well. And now we're gonna try them one by one. Now open files. Hey, it would be awesome if I could just drag and drop here instead of clicking it. I know I am actually someone who likes to do that, but yeah. Now go to downloads. First, let's try this one. Take a look at it. Damn good. You know what? What if I just change it into Ubuntu's? Yep, it would look damn good. Go to Arc menu settings, menu button, browse, go to Ubuntu's. Yep, and decrease the size a little. Just like that. Take a look at it. Man, damn, that's good. Okay, I can actually customize it a little as well. Let's go to extensions again, dash to panel. And now what we're gonna do is make it a little small and optimized for, this wallpaper. Or we can do the reverse thing as well. We can optimize the wallpaper for this dock as well. Maybe yes, that would be sort of a good idea. Let's try that. What we're gonna do is crop it and make it like a frame, which, well, I'll tell you later. Just go and open it with Thumb or any video, image editor or viewer you have. Go to edit. That's not edit, that is crop. There it is. Now aspect ratio shall be 19:9. There we go. Let me just make it full screen a little small, in which it is like that, and it has to be in the center. Almost there. Yep. Now accept, and now save. And now all we have to do is just make it wallpaper again. Set as desktop, set, and now tell me, isn't it looking gorgeous? Yup, it is. We can do the same with the other one. Let's try it. Settings, downloads, and let me just edit this one as well. Accept, now save, and now all we have to do is just set it as background. Okay, this one also looks damn good. Nice, but it's just a little bigger, but yeah, I like this one. Set, and now tell me about it. Isn't it looking damn good? Yep, it is. It indeed is looking good. Especially with the space for the dock and everything. It is beautiful. And I believe with that being said, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you do that, then subscribe for more awesome tech videos. And I'll need to reverse the whole desktop again because I like the default Manjaro GNOME. So yeah, bye bye.